Hi friends.
This is your yarn and how to do your slip knot. I'm going to quickly show you how to do your slip knot for your crochet. Very simple. The simplest way on how to do your slip knot for your crochet. This is your string. We are going to do a double on this. Fold that into two. This is the shorter end, and this is called the working thread. This is the shorter end and this is the working thread. So we're going to take that working thread, cross it over, put it into a loop, and now this is what we have. We're going to pull the shorter one like that, and now we just created our slip knot for our crochet. Congratulations. I'm going to show you that again. This is the shorter end and this is your working thread. This is your working end. You are going to take that working end, cross it over, put it into this loop right there. This is what you have. Now what are we going to do? We are going to pull this, the shorter end, this one, pull it out. Boom, you just created your slip knot for your crochet. Simple. There's no complication to this, you guys. It is not difficult at all. You have your thread. This is what you do. Okay. Either way, I'm left-handed, so I try to put it the way I know how. You take the working thread, put it in here, grab it. Now what do we have? We have that. Okay. What are we going to pull? We are going to pull the shorter end. We pull that. Boom. We have our slip loop. And what do we pull to adjust that? The working thread. The working end. I keep calling it thread. The working end. Okay. Now we have our slip knot. Okay. There we have it. You are done. I'm going to see you in my next lesson.